Welcome to this walkthrough video for the Advanced Overlay Editor. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to add a logo to one of our factory layouts as an introduction to using the software. This software can be used to add to existing layouts or create new ones from scratch. The layouts can be for virtual dashes for use in the analysis software and live monitor, or for the video overlays. This software is for advanced users and uses groups and equations to create the overlays. I'll leave a link in the video description for a detailed tutorial on our website. One common request is to add a logo to an existing overlay, so I'll demonstrate this now. You can right click and add control, or use the add control menu. Select the bitmap, which will go to the top left. Drag that into the screen. Select properties or click the properties icon on the toolbar. We will add it to the default group for now, but we will create a new group after this. So we'll select our logo image. This image we're selecting is a PNG file with a transparent background. There are two layers for images, top or bottom. With a single image logo, it doesn't matter which one we're using here. However, if we were making a dial, for example, the image of the dial background will be on the bottom layer and the rotating needle would be on the top layer. Okay, we'll just adjust the position. We can preview that using this button here, and then we can switch back to the workspace. Then let's make a group for it. So if we make a group for it, that means it can be turned on and off on its own, and it can be moved around, nudged around the screen. Okay, so we go to View menu, Groups. We can see the groups already set up in this overlay. We will add one, calling it Logo. We must remember to apply any changes to the groups. Then we'll go back to the image, select the properties and change the group from default to Logo. Okay, and then save this layout with a new name. Right, if we go to the Video Overlay Designer software, which is the easier to use software, the one that you'd normally use for making small adjustments, we can change the displayed overlay to the one we've just saved. So we just select that name. As you can see, we can now turn on and off the logo group, and because it's in its own group, we can also nudge it around using the arrow keys, and it doesn't move anything else. If you'd have left it in the default layer, it would be moving everything else that was in that group. So because it's in its own group, we can just nudge the logo around the screen, so we can fine tune it, and then we can export that from the analysis software as we normally would